Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I went to Walmart. I went to actually a lot of stores today. So I went to Walmart twice, Home Depot about 6 different times because I forgot things, left certain things in the vehicle. I went to Prax Air, welding supply. I didn't get anything at the welding supply though. Went to Cal Ranch, was looking at their still lawn care equipment. And I was also, which will be in a future video when I do pick up, I remember the name of it, but it's Still's quick lock attachment system. You can use whole hogs, actual like 7¼ inch saw blades. I call them whole hogs, but I think there's a specific name for them. Weed hog, something like that. And you get weed ear attachment, a blower attachment, and all kinds of other things. And I'll end up picking up a chainsaw too, because the price was pretty good for a 25-inch long bar and chainsaw from Still, $5.89. So, but these are the things I picked up. We didn't get anything at Cal Ranch either, but we were looking at some nice items, boots, hats, welding stuff. But so these are the containers that I had recommended in one of the other videos I did previously, where I said why not to get the Harbor Freight containers for $8. These Plano containers, I believe the ones I was talking about was the sealable kind that were $8. But these at Walmart, these are the 3700 series Plano Pro Latch Stowaway containers, 3 to 28 adjustable compartments. These are $3.88 for the large 3700 series, and they're $2.88 for the 3600 series, which is a little bit smaller. This is just one trip to Walmart. I ended up picking up some more of these at a different Walmart. And everything sitting here was $47.97, but if you actually take away $12.80, then $13. If you take away $13.10 exactly, those were not spent on these. I bought me and my wife some Theraflu cough syrup, so that it's not in the video. So these were about $35 for everything here, which is 5 of the large contained 3700 series and 3 of the 3600 series. And let me grab a light. Oh, one right there. There. I don't know if I've actually showed these containers before, but I like these containers because you have the small compartments on the top, a medium-sized compartment in the middle, and these long ones right here are for these wide compartments. I like these containers. They're especially for like solder and stuff like that. And I believe I did show one of these containers before, because I put all of my router accessories, template guides and everything in one of these. But I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to make another video with the other stuff that I picked up. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. It's been a really long day. Peace.